Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Monday, June 27th, 2022. The time is 8:39. Just getting ready to fire up the ES, the NQ, see what we can get. Let's try oil too, see what happens. I waited a few minutes after the open to let it settle down a little. Okay.
Order submitted.
Is that oil? Yes, it is. My favorite oil. It was rocking earlier. See if we can get a move down. Here we go. It's got to break that fib level. It's right here.
Order filled.
Let's see where we're at there.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Just moving a little bit.
Order filled.
Oh, we're catching this.
Order canceled.
Let's let her rip. Could move it right there. The software does it automatically. Looks like oil's playing a little hard to get. It's a what they call a rope-a-dope. Kind of don't like to trade oil right at the 8:30 open because you get a sideways movement, and that's exactly what it's doing. Look at that NQ go down. I might kill this one early because I'm a little leery of where it's not seeing a lot of negativity here. Come on, push down. But this one's making up for it.
Order canceled.
There we go. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully oil will pan out. Come on down, oil.
Order submitted.
Looks like the ES took off. I think that was a little too far away.
Order canceled.
Okay, we got a runner on that.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Okay, we got three
Order
runners.
filled.
Done. Let's see what this one plays out at. I didn't want that on there, the data. Till I can show you. Okay. Oh yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Like I said, the software will knock you out right away too. I sometimes kind of like to put it up here just to catch all of it because I'm looking at 500, 600. If it drives down further for a few more points, it looks like there's a level.
Order filled.
Yeah, okay, we're done. Boom. Okay. Now, I'd like to show you the time. The time was 8:44. We went from 8:39 to 8:44 on this Monday, June 27th. And let's take this. We'll take a look at the strategy performance. Go back over here. Yeah. I've got it set this time. $122 in commission, $3,000 profit. And if you do this every day for the month, you make $93,000 on just that. Over here on oil, oil is 2,400 and 135, so 2,200 roughly, and that's 75,000 a month if you did that. And then this one, NQ, $244 of commissions, 5,621, so roughly 4,300, yeah, roughly 435, yeah. And then if you do that, it's 170,000 for 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 for 6 minutes. So, yeah, that's pretty good there. What's the total here? 5,585 plus 2,474 plus 3,065. That's $11,000 for 6 minutes minus commissions. So you're looking at probably, 10,000 for the day. Okay, that I can handle. More than happy with that. And I will make more videos, all right? Thank you for watching. Subscribe and watch me do it every day.